Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We're outside braving the cold again. It's not as cold today. It's about minus 17. I think that's about 1 degree Fahrenheit for you people in the US. Today we're going to be looking at this TPMS sensor relearner. This is great if you do your own tires at home and you want to reset the tire pressure numbers in your car. This one specifically for the Chevy Trax. I'll leave links to those to this product below. Excuse me, I'm really cold out right now. Oh my gosh, I can't even talk. So let's get to that. We're all warm in the car. I let this car run for a bit because, like I said, it's pretty cold and I don't want to freeze my out here. So anyways, you can see it's a little bit warmer in the garage. We got minus 15 there, but it's getting minus 17 on the weather network. So anyways, there's been other videos done on this particular sensor. But not like I'm specifically for the Trax. This is my options on this are less than some of the higher trim levels. So I got the different analog speedometer and the smaller screen. I think it's 8-inch. The other one's like 11. So I don't think anybody did anything on this specific one. So that's why I'm making this video. Now we just got to go through the settings. Let's see. So there's a toggle switch on there. Let's see. Just press it forward. Just got to find out where it is first. Trip 1, trip 2. Nope, it's not there. So you press the select button. Okay, there's the tire pressure. Now these in the winter it's going to give you false readings. When it's warmer, the kilopascals that are read on here are 228, I believe. Once the tires start moving, they all go pretty much equal to about 220. But when it's really cold, the pressure looks like it stays down. But that's just how air works, I guess. So tire pressure, units, traction. Yeah, I did a video on the traction thing. I'll put that up in the cards there. Follow distance. Maybe it's this one. I think you gotta hold. Alright guys, so I kind of, so you go back to this screen here. I wasn't holding it long enough, so it's a long hold, so you gotta hold it long. Say 5-6 seconds, whatever. So you go, it's gonna ask you, are you sure that you want to relearn? Press yes. I'm gonna open this window because so you'll hear that. So you take the tool and you start off at the driver's side front, I believe. Let's see. So you put it right there. There's one. You'll see the light flash there. We'll go on to the next one. One here. Yeah, so you're putting it right near the sensor. You'll see that light up lighter. So it's basically, the car's telling you what to do. Every time you go finish one. And there you got the double click and it's relearned. Now it's going to say the same numbers obviously right now, but let's say you close this window. Let's say, for example, you went to get your tires done by someone else and they forget to relearn it. You'll drive with the same numbers as your other tires until I don't know, so many kilometers. Then all these will go like double lines on all of them. and then you have to reset it like that. So here's a little bit of something if you didn't know. Oh, excuse me, I'm so cold. All right, guys, that's pretty much it for this video. I want to get inside. I hate cold weather. Like, I work half of my job outside, and when I have a chance to be warm at this time of year, like, I love being outdoors, but winter, I'm not a kid anymore. I don't like it at all. So anyways, until the next video, if you like this video, please like, share, subscribe, comment. If you want to leave me an email, I'll leave that on the screen. Please comment. I love your comments, guys. It's nice to keep in touch with you guys. I know there's a lot of regulars on here. Also, check out my link tree, and that's got all my social media links. Until next one, have a good one, stay safe, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.